Too cold to start a fire, I'm burning diesel, burning dinosaur bones.
So I wanted to ask all of y'all out there, for fabrication type stuff, what do you use? I use a lot of these Metabo type 27, I don't know, maybe that's not how you say it, Metabo? I don't know, can't get it off there right now. Type 27, it's got a dish to it. Cutoff wheels, I really like them. They seem to last a long time. They're thinner, I think, than some like the Dewalts and stuff. So they really slice right in, but they don't come apart like the cheapies do. And then so I've been using these, can't really see them, Blackhawk. They're a 5-inch disc, or wheel, whatever you want to call it. They're still rated, 12,000 RPM, which this is what? Probably 12, 11. You should always use a guard. Don't do as I do as I say. But the DeWalts just seem to just go out of balance, just immediately. You can kind of see where this one is the contact area is fatter here and skinnier here. Well, it doesn't really seem to matter much on this one. It doesn't get exaggerated. The DeWalts, you'll see after not much use, unless you really lay into them a lot, which you don't always want to do that. Sometimes you got to finesse stuff. You'll see the DeWalts will get super fat and super skinny, and the whole thing will just vibrate like crazy. So that's what I've been using for grinding discs. And then for flap discs, I don't know, I just get cheap stuff. They all seem to wear out about the same. But between those three things, you can get a real nice finish on stuff. Now I kind of messed up cutting it here a little bit. I could grind that out, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna leave it. But anyways, what do you use for all your fabrication stuff? No, I'm not going to use a file, but you got a certain brand that seems to work better for you. The Blackhawks are pretty cheap, but for the value, I think is there on these. They may wear out a little bit faster, but they don't wear out as fast as like the Menards or the farm store ones do. But they, for the price, I don't know, I've found them to be really good. Same thing with the Metabo. Now I've also used them Drill Hog, I think they're called. That may be what this one was. I've used them before. They work really pretty well, but what I don't like is that they don't have a Type 27, which is the cup, the dish one. I really wish that they had a dished one. That would be the cat's meow, but I don't know. That's what I use. Let me know what you use down in the comments. Captain Kleeman, you should really go check out Metabo blades on wherever you know your favorite getting spot is. And the rest of you should go check out Captain Kleeman's channel, wherever thing, up here somewhere in this corner. He's well, he's an interesting captain. He is, yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Go check him out. Hey, guess what? I've got a couple more stickers for the sticker fridge. One of them, Junkyard's Garage. Check him out. He's got a channel. It's kind of like mine, where you just never know what you're gonna see on there. Working on trucks, working on cars, working on tractors, you name it. He pretty much works on it all and does it all. And so, anyways, check it out. He's also painting a Chevy right now. He's trying to do a $100 paint job. So he's got that series going on right now. So go over and check it out and see how it turned out. So I'll get that up there. Another one, Dirt Perfect. I'm guessing a lot of you already have been to his channel before. He's, I don't know, he works on all kinds of stuff too. There's a wide variety of stuff that he does too. So check his channel out. I will have links to both these guys up here in the corner, or maybe on the end screen. I'm not sure. Somewhere I'll have links. Well, let's get these put up here. Check him out up there. Dirt Perfect. Check him out up there. If you want the Burning Dinosaurs sticker, email me, BurningDinosaurs@BurningDinosaurs.com. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.